The YS53 Sovereign is an all-metal glider designed and built in Britain by John Sellers in the early 1960s. The glider started out as a Slingsby T-53 Phoenix produced by Slingsby sailplanes for evaluation by the Royal Air Force. In the early 1960s, the RAF issued a requirement to replace their current wooden gliders used by the Air Training Corps with a new tandem two-seater. Slingsby took this opportunity to design a new glider that would meet the needs of the ATC and could be used by civil gliding clubs. Slingsby decided to make the glider in metal, which they thought would make it more marketable in the United States and Australia, where the traditional wooden gliders did not sell well. The glider would be lighter and labour costs would be less, although tooling costs would be higher. Construction of the prototype started in 1966 with the first flight in March 1967. The glider is constructed from conventional light alloy flush riveted design. To ensure the rear occupant is forward of the leading edge, the shoulder-mounted wing is swept forwards by 5 degrees. It has a high-mounted stabilizer. The total number built of T-53 is 21 and 3 YS53s. The Royal Air Force ordered 40 gliders, and the second prototype was evaluated by them for use by the Air Training Corps. The order was cancelled following evaluation and also because the disruption caused at Slingsby's factory when it was destroyed by fire in November 1968 and later into receivership. Also, the spinning characteristics were seen as unsuitable for a basic trainer. Yorkshire Sailplanes bought the T-53 design and manufacturing rights from Slingsby in 1969. They were able to rescue some parts from the flames and built the glider which the gliding heritage now have on display. It was first flown in June 1974. The glider was completely renovated by a T-53 syndicate between 1987 and 1994, and first flown again in 1994. In November 2016, the glider was kindly donated to the Gliding Heritage Centre by the syndicate at Bowland Forest Gliding Club. To date, the glider has had many flights at Lasham and has made a valuable contribution to the double-seater fleet.